Hello everyone and welcome back to this Halloween release. This one is a really big release. It has taken me a little while to get some things sorted. I still haven't got everything sorted because I'm still not ready. I've been going through a few things and my printer is being a pest once again, so I can't print a couple of other things that I needed, but it is such a hefty stack which I think I would go through. So I'll go through it now. Alright, so let's start with what's on the top. So on the top we have some kits. Let me see. Because they, like I said, oh no. Okay. Alright, hang on a sec, because I did just, oh you guys can see some stuff. I did realise that I was like, oh my god, I don't have what I need, but it's just pop it here. Alright, I'm gonna pop this here. Okay, let's jump on in. The first one we have here is called Cute Halloween, and this one I have showcased on my Instagram, so if you guys haven't seen that, please do follow me on Instagram so you do see a few things. So this one is just filled with cute little ghosts doing things. So we've got like pumpkin, another pumpkin one. I really like this one because she has a purple witch's hat. A couple of cute bow ones, one with a lollipop, a drink, an ice cream, a cauldron. You guys can see the gist. It's just a cute little thing. And then we've got the pattern boxes in quarter and half. I think it's meant to be half and then quarter. Oh no, that's right. I don't know. Anyway, we've got the quarter boxes and the half boxes in the solid. We also have the glitter headers pages with the icons, the extra boxes, and the washi. Now, some of these are not actually printed correctly, but they are for me, so don't stress about that. In this kit, you also do get, which actually I might put them at the no, I'll put it in this. You do get these boxes as well. They're not in order, but you do get those with the kit as well. And just for this special release, I decided to, like it was for the kit, I did it ages ago, just do some little functional boxes. So we've got them in 4 different colors. So this is colorway 4, and you've got a few of those little icons just scattered in there. This one has a bit of stuff there. This one's number 3, number 1, and number 2. So that's that one. Now these kits also do come in a mini. Some of them, I think these ones all do, but I haven't done the rest of them. So this one is the mini kit. It's almost the same as the full kit. You got the 9 full boxes. You've got the pattern boxes. Oh, this was right. Let me just have a look, because I feel like, what was I doing the other day which required I don't know, I'll have to have a look into it, because there's one that I was doing which required something completely different. Oh, no, that's right. Okay, sorry. Alright, so we've got the pattern boxes. So you've got 2 half boxes and 2 quarter ones. That's what it was. Alright, then we've got the solids. We've also got the glitter page and then the washi page. And then just a bit of extras. I decided to do just a work functional in the full kit, and then a few boxes, flags, checklist, and just an extra box. So that there is the mini kit. If you guys don't want to get the full kit because you think it'll be too much, we've also got the mini kit. We do also have a B6 kit, except I don't have that with me. But it's basically these boxes and some icons. some of these styled boxes, which I'll share with you anyway, and then just some little icons as well. So it's not those 3 pages, but you will see it later on in the video. Unfortunately, like I said, my printer is being a pest right now because I need something done. I also decided to go with a Hobonichi Weeks. I really want to try and get some of that done in my life. So this is a Hobo Weeks kit. You've got the 9 little boxes here. This one should be just a full strip because I think I changed it out. Yeah, this one's just a full strip. I changed it out to be just the strip instead of individual. You can cut it if you like, but I won't bother. You've got some little teardrops, flags, a few scripts, some little boxes, your washies, a few little checklist boxes, more teardrops, bigger boxes, more boxes, flags, and checklists. So that's what this one's looking like. Anyway, also with this kit, I decided to do some deco. So I do have the deco icons, and these ones are the smaller version. Actually, I might see if I can pop that. That can go over here. You do have the smaller version here, and then I also have the journal deco, which is definitely a lot bigger. So I do offer those as well for this collection. Moving on, we have another one which is called Pink Halloween, and I'm just going to see if I can grab them. So this one's a really pretty one, just filled with pink Halloween items. So you've got your 9 full boxes, the patterned boxes, hang on a sec. Really beautiful. And then you've got the quarter boxes and the half boxes in the solid colours. Your glitter headers and icons, your extra boxes, and your washi. I love the spider washi. I think it's really cute with that. And then you get these as well. Again, not in order, but it'll be fine. And this one also does come in a mini kit as well. So again, 2 of these pages, 3, 4. A few of these pages are the same. Anyway, so you got the 9 full boxes. Then you've got your pattern boxes. Sorry guys. This page is the same. No, actually it's not the same. That's not the same page. Alright, that's the solid boxes. This page is the same in the kit. So is that page. This page is also the same. And then you get the extras as well. So really cute, pretty colours. Now we've got a B6 kit. This is the B6 kit. This is what I was trying to explain. Yes, you do get some date covers too. So with this one, I do have it in the cute Halloween. So it'll just be those full boxes in these colours. And you guys get the drift. So it'll just be those ones there. Those full boxes there. So yeah, this one is the pink Halloween one. Again, it didn't print out properly, but it's for me, so that's fine. And then I also have a Hobonichi Weeks kit. And I think it's really pretty. Can't wait to use this. I'm hoping to get back into the Hobo Weeks when I can, but some of these also, instead of having double solid flags, you do get the patterned flags there. So they're really small. The next kit we have here is, okay, this one is the Halloween kit, but I couldn't print the full kit because, like I said, my printer was being a pain. I do have half of the kit, so I literally have half of the kit. The other half is being a pest, so we're going to move into the mini kit. So you get the 9 full boxes, you've got your patterned boxes. You guys can see that they will be the patterns in the other one. You've got your solid colours. By the way, these both will be listed on the website. They are available, I just can't print it at the minute. You've got your glitter headers and icons, the washi page, I love the bats down here, and then the extras. So everything's pretty much the same, except I had to do it in a smaller version. Right, why is that even a thing there? I don't know why that's there, but I'll just move that other way. So I do have the B6 kit as well. Very pretty. Loving the colours of this one. So just classic B6, nothing too special. And then I've also got the Hobo Weeks. This one does have the flags which are patterned. And yeah, and I think, like I said, all of these should be a strip because I decided to go ahead and change it. So love that. Okay, that's that. So we're going to move into the icon things now. So there's a few things that I wanted to run through. I've never really done a release before, so these ones here are older icons. I just got to grab the last page. These ones here are the older icons, but I just wanted to let you know that they are in the shop. So you got this bigger, like, I guess, deco, journal-y styled deco. I don't know if that made sense. And then you've got all these other ones as well. They're kind of like color-ishy themed, the last two are. So we have page 1, page 2, page 3, which is like all orangey, and then page 4. So there's them. They are still going to be in the shop. I'm going to do a whole new listing for them. Now we're going to get into the newer things. I have the, I might just zoom in a tad. Got the Halloween emojis, the Halloween words. So we've got Witch Please, Halloween, Boo, Happy Halloween, Ghouls Stay Out, Fright Night, Spooky Season, Trick or Treat, and Spooky Vibes. And I've just made them a little bit smaller so you can get a few more words on the sheet. Then we have the Halloween cactuses. This page also has some little decos which you can use in your spread. Just decided to do just some of those ones because that's all I had available. I do have some Halloween costumes. These ones are small and I think I might do a bit of a bigger size. You could just pop these in your planner, just simple. I might just do a bigger size because I feel like we need them. Now we have the Halloween deco. So this, let me just see, because I didn't actually name them for whatever reason. So this one is a little bit different. This one does have a little background behind it. That's why my name is a little bit muted, but that's fine. So we have this one. I don't really know. We've got the Halloween monsters, Halloween lollies or candy. Can't remember what I called it. And then just another little Halloween bats, I think it was. Yeah, because there's lots of bats everywhere. So this one's called Halloween version 5, and I think it's because of these older ones, I think. I don't really know. Can't remember. Need to figure out names for them. Anyway, they're just little mini icons. They look really cool. Then we have Halloween monsters and Halloween lollies is what I called it. These are all individual, by the way, so I'll get them up. So they're all cut out individually. And then we have the Halloween bats. I also decided to do just something a little bit different, just for like if you want to colour in or pop them in a journal. These are the smaller version. If you guys like them, I can bring them out in a bigger version. This one is the Halloween words outline, and yeah, basically you just pop them in your planner or in your journal and you just colour over them. This is on matte paper. All of my items are on matte paper. So yeah. All right, next we do have something called Cute Halloween, and these are just, yeah, I think my printer stuffed up there. These are just little just cutouts that you can just pop into your planner just for like a little bit of a deco. So yeah, just thought I'd do something a little bit different because I've never done anything like this before, because I kind of want to get into journaling. Speaking of journaling, I do have some really cool items coming up. I have a bunch of letters in different sizes and styles. All right, so I'm going to go with the big ones first. I have the large bubble letters in Tango, and then the small, so that's how they're going to look. That'll do. And then I've got the light orchid in the large and the small. And then I have the Sulu. I don't know, I just found names and I was just like, that'll do. And then Carnation Pink. Again, I found names. I didn't think of these names on my own. So, yep, there's them. Perfect for journaling, which again, I think I might get into that soon. I do have a little bit of an idea of like a little junk journal situation, which I think I might do really soon. And then I have these square type ones. I'll just show you. They're just like rounded squares. So I've got those. These ones are, actually I'll just show you too. These ones are cut out. I just gave myself a little bit of extra room. Oops, sorry guys, you can't see that. So that they would be cut somewhat close to. And then you've got that one there too. So again, it's cut out like you would expect. So yeah, so with these ones we have Tango, Light Orchid, Sulu, and Carnation Pink. Those are just a different style of letter. And I did ask for some recommendations on Instagram for what Halloween items you would like to see, and someone, I think it was Beck, said that she wanted to see some washi and headers in different, well, I think, or is that what I just made up, but just some like blood splatter, and I decided to do that and a few other things. So I've got some washi strips here. So we've got the Scary Pumpkin washi. For whatever reason I didn't name them. So we've got the orange one, the pink one, and then that green coloured one. And then I also decided to do the blood splatter washi for her as well. I think I'd use that this time. I do need to find some different ones and make my own. And then I also made one called Witch's Brew, which has the cauldron and the witch's hat. And then we have the headers in the same range. So you've got all the pumpkins. And then you also have the blood splatter and the witch's brew. Now they're printed on matte, so they're not an overlay, but if you wanted to put an overlay over the top, you could. And last but not least, I do have the countdowns. Just wanted to say, at the moment, I do have the older version up as well. So if you were to grab the older version, you would get these countdowns and these ones as well. These ones I did change out. They're the old ones. These ones are the new ones. They're a little bit muted. So if you were to buy the old ones, you would get that one. So just thought I'd point that out. I'm just going to pop that there because that goes in my journal. So I do have the mini version. I think this one was brights and pastel. So I've got, although they don't really look bright, they kind of look a bit muted, but anyway. So I've got this one here, just counting down from 16 days. I could have just done 14, but I didn't really want to waste paper, so I just did that. So you got those ones. They are a little bit different to these ones. I had to redo them because I couldn't find the file, so I did my best. So these are the newer version. So we've got the 31 days for in case you need it in the bright and in the pastel. So yeah, I thought I'd put in a few functional things, but that there is the end of it. I'm so sorry that it was a long video and that it took a while, but like I said, I haven't quite finished, but I wanted to get what I've got up, and I will probably post onto Instagram that I do have the rest of it up so that you guys can see. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on anything. Bye!